Hello guys, today we shall discuss a new extension. Okay, so usually we all have a habit of taking more tabs in a browser. Okay, so if you get a new link, we will be clicking that new link, and as a result many number of tab will be getting opened up in the browser which we are using. Okay, right. So if you are having many number, for example, take more than 7 to 8 tabs in the browser, it will be more difficult for us to navigate, and also as a result the browser will also get hanged up. Okay, so in order to reduce that particular problem, we have a Google Chrome extension exclusively for Google Chrome browser. Okay, so today we shall see about that particular extension for Google Chrome. Okay, so let's go to the video now.
Hello guys, so in the introduction we have seen we are going to see a Google Chrome extension. So we can see that, so the name of the Google Chrome extension is OneTab. OneTab. Okay, so Google Chrome extension which we are going to see is OneTab. Okay, so the what it will be doing is it will be converting all of your tab into a single list. So here you can see the explanation. One tab icon to convert all of your tabs into a list. Okay, so you just click over it and it will navigate to the Google Chrome web store. Okay, so since it is dedicated for the Google Chrome web browser alone. Okay, so you just click over this add to Chrome. So it will be checking and it will be asking whether to add it. Okay, it also reads your browsing history. You can click add extension so that it will be getting added up. Okay, so it will be getting downloaded here and it will be getting added up in the browser. So here you can see, right? So this funnel type icon, this is nothing but the icon for the OneTab extension for Google Chrome. Okay, so now let's check it. Here we have the Google Chrome OneTab. So here we have many number of tabs opened in the Google browser. Okay, in the Chrome browser. Okay, just click over this. So here all of us a sudden when you click that OneTab icon, what you have done is, or what here we have seen is, all the 10 tabs has been created in a page in the format of menus. So here you can see all the pages which you have opened as single tab has been shown as a list in this OneTab application. Okay, right? So here if you need to click over that, you can click it, so that particular page will be getting opened in a new web page. Okay, or else if you don't want to see something, you can just click the X button near to it, so that the page will be getting closed here. Okay, right? So now you can see the page gets loaded up here, right? So like this you can see. Again you just click here, what will be happening, that one tab, the tab which you have opened now is been added up here. Okay, so this one tab can be used to reduce more number of tab opened in the browse into a list, and from the list we can use the pages if we need, or if we need at that time. Okay, right? So this is one of the best Chrome extension available for the Google Chrome web browser alone. Okay, right? So if you like the video, subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video, and if you have any comments or if you have any doubts regarding this, you just drop your comments in the comment box. Thank you.